Planning a road trip, but not sure how to carry all that luggage safely on your car roof? Don't worry, today I'll show you how to load luggage on your car roof like a pro. No stress, no mess, just smart, safe, and easy packing tips that'll make your journey smooth and worry-free. First things first, make sure your car has the right roof rack. There are three main types: crossbars, basket-style racks, and cargo boxes. If you travel often, a roof box is perfect for all-weather protection and security. If you're just going on the occasional trip, a simple rack with some good straps will do the job just fine. Choose the one that best fits your needs and your vehicle. Next up, always use a weatherproof bag or a cargo box. You never know when you might hit a surprise rain shower, a dusty road, or strong winds. A waterproof cover not only keeps all your belongings dry and protected from the elements, but it also keeps everything clean throughout the journey. Trust me, there's nothing worse than arriving at your destination with soaked or grimy luggage. When you start loading, remember this golden rule: balance is everything. It's crucial for your car's stability. Keep your heavier bags and items in the center, directly over the middle of the car. Place the lighter, smaller items on the sides. This even distribution of weight helps keep your car stable on the road and prevents it from swaying, especially when you're taking turns or driving in windy conditions. Once everything is placed correctly, it's time to secure it all. Tie everything down tightly with high-quality ratchet straps or strong bungee cords. Go for straps over bungee cords for heavier loads, as they offer more security. Make sure everything is as tight as possible. Give it a good shake. Nothing should move or wobble. And a pro tip: don't forget to tuck in any loose strap ends. If they're flapping in the wind, they can make a lot of noise and even damage your car's paint. Before you hit the road, do one final safety check. Go around the car and pull on the straps again. Give the luggage a firm push and pull from different angles. If it doesn't move an inch, you're good to go. And remember, when you have a load on your roof, your car's handling changes. Always drive a little slower than you normally would, especially on highways, and take turns more gently, and that's it. You just learned how to load luggage on your car roof like a pro. Now you're ready for any adventure that comes your way. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart travel hacks. Safe travels, and see you on the next road trip adventure.